Ay, reserva lang. Uy, thank you.
Ano ba yan? Ikaw pang kinakabahan. Siyempre ganito.
Uy, bakit daw ako? Record. Record ako yan.
But don't!
Dek,
Yes?
nagagawa mo sa buhay mo.
I know, right?
Pinalaki ka ng parents mo na maayos.
Hindi totoo yan. They hated me. Parang okay doon. Dito na lang, no?
Bala, dito kami sa documentary.
Dito na lang natin. This is dangerous shit!
You know, right? Hey! Wow! This serves as my last will and testament.
Masaya pa siya noon nung umakit siya.
How ano nangyari? Madali itong pagpaano. Pagpababa. Nahirap pa baba ito. Hindi, pagpaupo. Madali kasi. Pagpaakyat. Careful dun sa rock.
Yung kapit sa damo,
Salamat po.
The bird. Yeah! Throw it away. Forget yesterday.
Ganda ng beach dito.
You know, white sand, oh.
Yeah!
Woo! I document
Excuse me?
you, you document me. Yeah.
Document section.
Document section.
Like, ganda ng beach dito.
I want to see beach ba talaga? Beach daw, maganda. Wait lang, dyan ako.
What's up?
It's the climb!
Tara. We're almost there. Miley Cyrus and so guys are over here.
Really British accent si Kuya Bogart.
Australian. No, here.
Only do Punjabi.
Hey. Hey. What's up? Ayun.
Kala ko ikaw yung nandun.
Like,
now on our way to the monolith. That's the peak of Pico de Loro, and that's the monolith there. And we will attempt to climb the infamous monolith, and it's scary as hell. Wish me luck. Hope I'm still alive after this video. Goodbye, guys.
Game day, enough laughing.
constant.
Endless slaughter. Constant daw.